My name is Nicolas Belmonte and I work at Twitter for the Visual Insights team. So we do data visualization focused mainly on public-facing events. So I lead the interactive.twitter.com project. And so I was born in Argentina. I studied in Argentina until I was like about 23, 24 years old. And then I moved to France. I worked there for about 3 years for a French search engine company. And then I moved over to the US to work for Twitter. Currently I've been working with Twitter like for more than 2.5 years. April 2015 will be 3 years. So my talk was about from data journalism to data illustration. So it's like how to visualize data using JavaScript and how we do that at Twitter. So it's like the process of like building data visualizations for different verticals. So we build data visualization for news, government, TV, and sports, and other verticals. And it's like how we build those visualizations. Yeah, so I've been using web standards since I graduated, basically. So for more than 7 or 8 years now. Mostly using standards for graphics. So I am very interested in graphics technologies in general. So it's like 2D Canvas, SVG, and WebGL are the three main graphic standards. And I'm using those to create data visualizations. To give you some kind of data points, like there are 1 billion tweets every 2 days. So it is a huge challenge to try to visualize that. And also, all the important features of our platform, that we're global, we're real time, we're conversational. So there are a lot of different aspects that present a lot of challenges to visualize data in general.
So the challenge is to visualize the data.
Yeah, around public-facing events for me. So for our team, right? So it's like the Oscars. It's like a huge event. There are lots of tweets. State of the Union address. There's a lot of conversation around what the president says, and a lot of things like that. So yeah. I think that it's already something that could be in the future. Like if you had a platform that's already real time, and how people are using Twitter, they're using it in very different ways. And so it's interesting to try to know more about the user base and how they're using it. Like we are providing them a platform and they're building something on top of that, right? So I can't really tell how it will be 10 years from now. This conference is amazing. The caliber of the speakers like here are great. We have Brendan Eich, who's like the creator of JavaScript, who will be talking today. So that's like, it doesn't get better than that, right? And the community is huge. It's like, I've been here in 2012. It was about 200 people, and now it's like 3 times more that, 3x that. So it's really big. It's getting bigger, and yeah, I've been talking to a lot of different people from Buenos Aires, from La Plata, and there's a huge kind of movement around like technology in general and JavaScript specifically.